Rain or shine towered over a Barangay Ginebra side that would have had the height advantage if it were healthy, as the E-Painters toppled the Gin Kings 108-89 to claim a piece of the lead in the PBA Commissioner's Cup on Sunday night at the Smart-Araneta Coliseum. Pouncing on a short-handed Gin Kings side missing Greg Slaughter as well as Jervy, Cruz and Paolo Taha, the E-Painters zoomed to an early lead and hardly let up to roll to their second straight victory. Raymond Almazan stood tallest with 20 points, 8 boards, and 2 blocks, while Ed Daquiaog led the bench mob as the E-Painters spoiled the Gin Kings conference debut. Roz's burly import Reggie Johnson continued to throw his weight around as he outplayed Gin Kings counterpart Charles Garcia, who's still adjusting to the weather. "The only advantage we had was their import was sick before the game," Roz coach Caloy Garcia said. "But we still have to work things, especially on defensive side. It's just the first game of Ginebra, so you never know."